अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। क्वेश्चन 1 एंड पार्ट 1। हियर इज rupees 750 and rupees 1250. Their units are the same. The first value is in rupees and the second value is also in rupees. Now we easily compare them in ratio, which is A ratio B is equal to 750 ratio 1250. And now we cancel these both the ratios in any one which is divided either this and this. So first we divide 750 with 10 and 1250 with 10, we get 75 ratio 125. And then we divide them with 5, we get 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 25, ratio 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Sorry, 5 fives are, first is 25. 5 ones are 5, 2 carry 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 2 carry 25, 5 fives are 10. And then the both are divided by 5 again. 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. So the ratio between 750 and rupees 1250 is 3 ratio 5. And when we write in fraction, the first value is written as a numerator and the second is as a denominator. This is values are ratio 3 ratio 5, and when we write it as a fraction, which is 3 over 5, and it is the answer of question 1 part 1. And the next is (450 centimeter) and the next is 3 meter. In this question we saw 450 is in centimeter and 3 is in meter. They have not the same unit, so we convert them first same unit and then solve. 450 centimeter, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. These are now the same units. Now we compare them as a ratio, which is 450 ratio 300. First we divide them both the divided by 10, we get 45 ratio 30, and it is further divided by 5, we get 9 fives are 45 and 5 6 are 30, and then it is divided by 3, 3 threes are 9, ratio 3 ratio 2, and these are in the ratio. And when we write it as a fraction, we know that the first value is right in the numerator and the second is on the denominator position, and it is the answer of part 2 question 1. The part 3 4 kg and the other is 2 kg 750 gram. They are not have the same units, so we convert them in the same units and then solve it. We convert these two values in the grams, and we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram, and the other is 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram, and 750 when add we get 2750 grams, and these are the same units. Now we simplify them. First we divide both the values by 10, we get 400 ratio 275, and then divided by 5, 5 8s are 40, 0 ratio 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 25, 5 5s are 25, and further we divide them with 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 carry 30, 5 6 are 30, and the next is 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. It is the simplest form, 16 ratio 11, and when we write it in the fraction we write it 16 over 11. It is the answer of part 3 question 1. The next is part 4, which is 27 minutes 30 seconds, and the other is 1 hour. Now we convert them the suitable same unit, means we convert them in seconds, means we multiply 27 by 60 and then add 30. 27 multiplied by 60, 0, 6 7s are 42, 2, 4 carry, 6 2s are 12 and 4, 16, and when add 30 we get 1650, and here we write 1650 ratio 11, 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes, and when we multiply 16 with this 16 we get 3600. Both the values are in seconds. Now we simplify these values. First we divide 10 and get 650 ratio 360, and further we divide them by 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 1 carry 10, 5 2s are 10, and then we divide them with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 ratio 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 12, 3 4s are 12, and it is the simplest ratio, and then we write them in fraction. We get 11 over 24, and the next is question 5. Question 1 part 5. We get 75 degree and 225 degree. They are the same units in degree. The first is 75 and the second is 225. It is not, we should not convert them in their same unit because they are already in same unit, so we simplify them. 75 ratio and 225. First we divide both with 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 carry 25, 5 fives are 25, and the second is 5 fours are 20, 2 carry 25, 5 fives are 25, and then they both are divided by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So the ratio of 275 and 225 is 1:3. And when we write it as a fraction, we have 1/3. It is the question 1 answer. Question 1 part 5's answer. In a class of 60 students, 25 students are girl and the remaining students are boy. Compute the ratio of boys to total students, boys to girls. So first we find the number of boys in a class and we write it total students, which is equal to 60, and the girls are 25, and the boys are, the total is 60, girls are 25, the remaining is 35. In the class there are 35 students, and first we compare the ratio between boys to total, and we know that in the statement the first value is written first in the ratio and the second on the second position. The first part is boys to total students, and boys is 35 and total student is 60. Now we simplify them and divided both the values with 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry 10, 5 twos are 10. And it is the simplest form of boys to total number of students. And the second is boys to girls. Boys are 35 and girls are 25. Now we simplify these values, divided by both the values divided by 5, we get 5 sevens are 35 and 5 fives are 25, and it is the ratio of boys to girls of second part, and this is the answer of question 2. Where if 3 bracket 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y, and we find the ratio of x and y. First we write the question, which is 3 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y, and first we multiply according to Bode-Moss rule. Bracket of multiply 3 with these values, we get 4 3s are 12x minus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 2x minus 7y, and the ratio we find in this question is x ratio y. So x is on the left hand side and y is on the right hand side, or x is on the numerator and y is on the denominator. So we shift x in the left hand side, we get 12x minus 2x is equal to minus 7y plus 15y. Solve these values. 12x minus 2x we get 10x is equal to minus 7y plus 15y is equal to 8y. Now we convert these y in the left side and 10 on the right side. We get x over y is equal to 8 over 10. And we simplify these values divided by 2, we get 4 over 5. So x over y is equal to 4 over 5. and we also write it x ratio y is equal to 4 ratio 5. Question 4, in which find the value of p if the ratio 2p plus 5 is equal to 3p plus 4 and 3 ratio 4 are equal. So we write them as 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4, and the ratios are equal 3 ratio 4, and we write them in the fraction form 2p plus 5 over 3p plus 4, and it is equal to the ratio 3 ratio 4 mean 3 over 4. And this stage we cross multiply both the values. 4 multiplied by these values, 4 into 2p plus 5 is equal to 3p plus 4. Now simplify these values. We get 2 4s are 8, p plus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 3 3s are 9p and 3 4s are 12. And then we convert 4p on the right side and 12p on the left side. We get 20 minus 12 is equal to 9p minus 8p. Now simplify these values. 9p minus 8p we get p is equal to 20 minus 12 is equal to 8, and hence p is equal to 8, which is the answer of question 4, which is if the ratio 3x plus 1 ratio 6 plus 4x and 2 ratio 5 are equal, find the value of x. And this question is same as question 4, so we write it first 3x plus 1 ratio 6 plus 4x and 2 ratio 5 are equal. This ratio and these ratios are equal, so we convert them or write them in a fraction form, which is 3x plus 1 over 6 plus 4x is equal to 2 over 5. Now we cross multiply these two values. We get 5, 3x plus 1 is equal to 2, 6 plus 4x. Now simplify these values. 5 3s are 15x plus 5 is equal to 2 6 are 12 plus 8x. So we shift 8x on the left side, which is 15x minus 8x is equal to 12, and 5 on the right side, which is here is plus 5 and on the left side it is minus 5. Simplify these values. 15x minus 8x we get 7x is equal to 12 minus 5 we get 7, and x is equal to 7 over 7, which is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1. The number. The question 6 is two numbers are in the ratio 5 ratio 8, and if 9 is added to each number, we get the new ratio 8 ratio 11. So let the ratio between 8 and 5, we write it 5x ratio 8x, means both side we multiply x, 5x ratio 8x. And the next step is, if we added 9 both of them, we get 5x plus 9 ratio 8x plus 9, and we write them in the fraction form, 5x plus 9 over 8x plus 9. We get the new ratio, which is 8 over 11, and this is same as question 4 and 5, and we cross multiply the values, which is 11, 5x plus 9 is equal to 8, 8x plus 9, and then simplify these two values. We get 11 multiplied by 5, 55x, plus 11 multiplied by 9 is equal to 99 is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 is 64x, plus 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. Now we simplify these two values. 64x is greater, so we shift 55x on the right side. We get 64x minus 55x is equal to 99 minus 72. Simplify these values. 64 minus 55, we get 9x is equal to 99 minus 72, we get 27, and the value of x is equal to 27 over 9, which is equal to 3. Now we multiply the value of x, which is 3, in the starting, which is 5x ratio 8x. We get 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15 ratio 8 3s are 24, and these are the required number 15 and 24.